You're watching America This Morning, America's #1 early morning news.
North Korea has drawn a bullseye on America. Its leaders have issued a direct threat that they will soon test a nuclear weapon and a long-range rocket aimed at the U.S.
There are signs that a nuclear test is in the works, and we know their missiles can now reach Hawaii, but it doesn't appear they can combine them yet.
Defense Secretary Leon Panetta says the U.S. is ready, though, to meet any provocation. So how's all of this going over in that region? ABC's Gloria Riviera has just arrived in Seoul. And Gloria, how concerned, for a second, are the leaders in South Korea?
Rob, here in South Korea, there is not panic yet, but there is serious concern. Yesterday, it was the U.S. Today, North Korea directed its threats in this direction. North Korea warned there would be, quote, strong physical countermeasures against South Korea if it takes direct part in the tougher U.S.-backed sanctions recently passed at the UN. And analysts say American intelligence, international agency intelligence, it all concludes that the North Koreans' nuclear and missile capabilities are getting more sophisticated, slowly but surely, and that is a concern to South Korea and to the rest of the world.
Well, Gloria, what does all this tell us about the North's new leader, Kim Jong-un?
Sunny, with a new leader, there's always a bit of hope things will be different. Of course, his father, Kim Jong-il, was caught up in a cycle of threats and then tests and talks about denuclearization, then walking away from the table. It looks as if Kim Jong-un, the new leader, is following in his father's footsteps, unfortunately. North Korea appears to have turned its back on restarting six-party talks. The one country with an influential card to play here is China, North Korea's one ally. It's a big provider of food aid for North Korea, and China supported the UN resolution. It's urging restraint, calling for North Korea to get back to the negotiating table, and saying it will reduce its assistance if North Korea carries out another test. That is not what Kim Jong-un wants to hear, but it's new, and many are hoping it doesn't fall on deaf ears.
A provocative action, certainly with the eyes of the world now, again, on that country. ABC's Gloria Riviera live for us in Seoul, South Korea. Thanks, Gloria.